Hey guys, welcome back. If you're planning a trip to Canada, maybe exploring Toronto, hitting the slopes in Vancouver, or heading out to see the stunning views in Banff, staying connected is an absolute must. And if you don't want to deal with expensive roaming charges or waste time hunting down a local SIM card, I've got you covered. Let's talk about Saily eSIM. Honestly, one of the best travel eSIMs for Canada right now. Quick heads up before we dive in. I am an affiliate with Saily, so if you use my special link or coupon code down below, you'll get 15% off your plan. So yeah, definitely grab that before you check out. Alright, here's why I really like Saily for Canada. First off, it's completely digital. No physical SIM cards, no airport kiosks, no waiting around. You just download the Saily app, choose Canada as your destination, and pick your plan. They'll send you a QR code right away. Just scan it, and your eSIM installs automatically. When you land in Canada, your phone connects instantly. Easy. Now, let's talk plans. Saily's got a ton of flexible data options, from smaller packs for short trips to bigger bundles for longer stays. You can go with 1 gig for 7 days, 3 or 5 gigs for 30 days, or the fan favorite, 10 gigs for 30 days, which gives you the best bang for your buck. And if you're a heavy user, maybe streaming, navigating, or uploading content all day, there's even a 20 gig plan that keeps you online without worry. And remember, all of these get even cheaper when you use my 15% off coupon. Just click the link below. So, if you want fast, reliable, and affordable internet while exploring Canada, Saily eSIM is 100% worth checking out. It's simple, flexible, and gives you great coverage across the country. Don't forget to use my affiliate link below and grab that 15% off before you go. Thanks for watching, safe travels to Canada, and I'll see you in the next one.